Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen, and we're here to help you decide which dishwashers to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. One of the best investments you can make for your home is a high-quality dishwasher. It not only saves you time and stress by eliminating the need to wash dishes by hand, but it also conserves energy and water. There are hundreds of dishwasher models to choose from, and sorting through them to find the finest one is as time-consuming as dealing with a mound of dirty dishes. To save you time and effort, we compiled a list of the best dishwashers available in the market today. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The dishwashers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we've been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The dishwasher coming in at #4 in our list is the Hertmitlux Countertop Dishwasher. You can save a lot of time using the Hertmitlux Countertop Dishwasher. All you have to do after the meal is place the dishes in the dishwasher, and your dishwashing problem will be fixed with a single touch. Standard cleaning, fast cleaning, eco cleaning, strong cleaning, and fruit cleaning are the 5 cleaning options available with this countertop dishwasher. You can select the appropriate program based on your needs. Hertmitlux dishwasher's dual high water pressure spraying arms can provide dishes a streak-free deep clean, so you don't have to worry about any residue. Our team would like to highlight that this dishwasher also offers a drying and disinfecting function, ensuring the cleanliness of your dishes as well as yours and your family's health. You can even wash baby products and oily dishes using its high temperature and PTC hot wind function. Hertmitlux dishwasher supports 2 water supply modes, its water tank mode and the faucet water supply mode. It comes with a 5-liter built-in water tank, allowing you to use the dishwasher even when you're outside. The countertop dishwasher's dimensions are 16.8 by 16.7 by 18 inches, making it ideal for compact homes, apartments, boats, and RVs. It's worth noting that the noise level of the dishwasher is 50 decibels, which is lower than average and won't bother you when you're cooking, listening to music, or watching TV. This 900-watt power dishwasher operates at 120 volts at 60 Hz, and it can be plugged into standard North American power outlets. If the appearance of your kitchen is important to you, this Hertmitlux dishwasher is the perfect option. Its white theme and simple design make it appear more technological and modern, enhancing the fashionable and attractive look of your kitchen. After all, an elegant kitchen design can raise the value of your home while also allowing you to enjoy more time in the kitchen. For that, we placed it at the #4 in our list. The dishwasher coming in at #3 in our list is the Frigidaire built-in fully integrated dishwasher. This dishwasher is equipped with the most up-to-date technology. Our team would like to make mention that it boasts an innovative blade spray arm that rotates in 2 directions, ensuring even distribution of water across the full internal volume. Its 3rd-level rack is ideal for flatware washing because it takes up almost no extra room. It's worth noting that the even dry system uses a stream of hot air to dry the washed dishes quickly and effectively. Our team would like to highlight that the upper-level rack's quick and easy height adjustment frees up room on the bottom shelf, allowing you to store large tableware. This dishwasher contains enhanced features such as a 30-minute quick clean cycle, an adjustable upper rack, and fold-down tines. Instead of PVC, the racks are coated with nylon, which gives a tougher and more durable layer of protection that'll last for years. It's worth noting that this dishwasher runs at 49 decibels, making it easy on the ears. Another feature is a removable self-cleaning stainless steel filter in the Sahara Dry system with a max boost drying option that provides great performance at this price point. The Orbit Clean Wash system, which is unique to the Frigidaire dishwasher, consists of a rotating spray arm that provides up to 4 times more wash coverage than typical spray arms. This ensures that you get a perfect clean the first time. The control panel is hidden for a sleek appearance. The team found it very simple to use and contains a favorite cycle feature that operates with your chosen cycle and options with just 1 click after you program it. For increased energy efficiency, this dishwasher allows you to wash half loads in either the top or bottom racks. The Frigidaire built-in fully integrated dishwasher maintained the company's excellent reputation. Despite the dishwasher being reasonably priced, it boasts remarkable quality, wide functionality, a full set of innovative technologies. This is why our team decided to place it at the #3 in our list. The dishwasher coming in at #2 in our list is the Fisher & Paykel Double Dishwasher. The Fisher & Paykel Double Dishwasher comes in a set of 2 drawers that are placed on top of each other. While they have the same capacity as a single regular dishwasher when combined, having 2 smaller independent dishwashers provides a few advantages. Rather than creating a messy pile in the sink or on the counter, you can run a wash cycle in one drawer while stacking dishes in the other. Our team would like to highlight that this dishwasher also enables the simultaneous use of several wash cycles. It has a quick eco-load for washing cups and mugs in one drawer and a longer, more intensive mode for scrubbing pots and pans in the other. Our team would like to make mention that each drawer has a contemporary stainless steel finish. In addition, each can wash a half load for guilt-free small washes with a fast dish turnaround. This allows you to simultaneously run one while loading the other. Our team found that the double dishwasher from Fisher and Paykel is as easy to open and close as kitchen drawers and can be placed at bench height for convenient loading and minimal bending. The dishwasher can wash everything from fine glass and crystal to extremely soiled pots and pans. This is all thanks to the option to utilize both drawers independently and set different wash programs. Both drawers work independently, allowing many wash cycles to run at the same time to suit a range of loads. These double dishwashers operate at a very low decibel level, which gets the work done quietly. The Fisher and Paykel double dishwasher has a combination of intelligent technology and simple mechanics. This means that you can have greater reliability and excellent wash performance when you purchase this one. For that, we felt that this product deserves to be at the number 2 in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 dishwasher in our list, the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. The Hava Countertop Dishwasher measures 18.1 by 16.8 by 16.9 inches and weighs 33 pounds. This dishwasher has the capacity to store 4 by 10-inch dinner plates, 4 by 8-inch little plates, 4 cups, 4 serving bowls, a wine glass, 7 knives, 7 forks, and 7 spoons. Our team found that you can fit dishes up to 12 inches in diameter at an angle. Included is a cutlery rack for better organization and extra space for your dishes in small pots. Our team would like to highlight that this dishwasher includes 5 wash cycle options such as Eco, Speed, Normal, Heavy, or Baby Care, and Fruit. After one of these cycles is complete, select Extra Dry Mode for an additional 1 hour of drying time. In addition, it's equipped with a 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors, keeping your dishes clean. With 14 water ports on the spray arms at the top and bottom, it provides excellent 360-degree cleaning. Your dishes will be properly cleaned and rinsed thanks to the intense spraying process, which leaves no blind spots. This will help you save up to 75% in both power and water consumption. It's worth noting that it has an A energy efficiency rating and uses only 5 liters of water per cycle compared to 20 liters for hand washing. This Hava Countertop Dishwasher operates quietly with a decibel level of roughly 50. The built-in filter system ensures that large food particles do not get stuck in the pump. It contains an internal LED light that turns on automatically when you open the door, allowing you to load and unload the dishes in the dark or dim light. The Hava Countertop Dishwasher is designed to wash dishes thoroughly and leave them spotless. It functions admirably and performs with the utmost efficiency. Its modest footprint is ideal for small homes, apartments, dorms, yachts, and campers or RVs. That is why it's no surprise that this product earned the top spot in our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 dishwashers which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next dishwasher roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon. The kitchen again.